Hi guys, this is Natasha and today I am really excited. I am gonna be talking about a topic that I love, so I'm just gonna dive right into it. So should you buy new construction properties or should you buy resale? The reason why I want to talk about this is because I want to talk and highlight like 3 of the reasons why I think, buyers should consider building, versus purchasing resale properties. So, during your house hunt, you will look at probably 3 or 4 houses. And during that time, you're probably going to start thinking to yourself, okay, well, I should probably, pick out of what I've got. And, you're probably going to end up with someone else's poor designs or someone else's, just lack of maintenance and cleanliness. It's not going to be 100% yours. And so it's for this reason that many home buyers choose newly constructed homes instead of purchasing resale. And typically it is a little bit more per square foot, but the extra money can go a long way. And I just want to talk about these 3 reasons. So number 1 would be that there are just fewer headaches involved when you're buying new construction. Why would you want to purchase a home that needs new paint, new cabinets, new carpets, appliances, flooring, when you can just basically walk into your, home, pick your designs, and watch it get built. In a newly constructed home, everything is pretty much like brand spanking new. And, there's no grease smells, there's no pet odors, there's no walked on floors, there's brand new appliances. And many of the home builders, they will supply you with a 1-year home warranty. So that kind of peace of mind, in my opinion, is priceless. And there's nothing, whenever people ask me, they're like, what do you think? Should I purchase resale or should I get, or should I get new construction? And just from my perspective, I think that, I would only purchase resale if I have to be in that area. Like if I need to be in, hypothetically speaking, if I need to be in Vienna, like I would then purchase resale because I have to be in Vienna. Like the location is so important to me that, I don't mind going out of my way and making small renovations, blah, blah, blah. So, because if you just go like a couple miles down the street, they may be building new and, you can get a brand new house for maybe even less or even more than, just that home price in Vienna that you're looking at. So it really depends, in my opinion, like where your location is. So number 2, I would say the opportunity to customize your home. It is so, I loved buying our home because we purchased new construction as well. So, the ability to take a blank slate and impose your personal taste onto it, it's like, it's the biggest reason I think that many of my clients have leaned more towards new construction properties. And, some of those custom features that you may be able to choose include, the flow. If you purchase before the home is built, you can, dictate which bathroom goes where, or, what level laundry room is going to be on, designing features such as, from wall color to flooring type to granite, stainless steel type of appliances. So there are a lot of things that you can choose from. And number 3, I would probably say that just from my past experience, I think that a lot of home buyers may be leaning more towards new construction is because it is so energy efficient. And it's a fact that, energy efficient features lower your monthly bills. And, in addition to that, it's a money saving aspect. And, energy efficient homes provide resale values that are higher. And according to Zillow's housing trend report, nearly half of the home buyers say that energy efficiency is a desirable feature in a home. So a lot of people lean more towards that, because if you're buying new, think about it, like everything is brand spanking new. I mean, why not? That's just how I feel about it. But if you guys want to read a little more in detail about, resale versus new construction properties, or if you guys just want to, read the 3 things that I just covered, don't forget to check out my full blog post on my website. I have already included the link below this video, and so you can just click and read, or you can also check out this video later at your convenience on my YouTube channel. So you could just go to youtube.com and search for Natasha Aref. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.